Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual E motor with standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Power Onboard 9.6 kilowatts. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, with a bed camera as well. You do get a nice tailgate step as well, the nice Lightning logo, with a nice gripped running board, side view camera, turn light indicated, blind spot detection, and we do get a nice place to plug in your vehicle as well. And moving to the front, we do get that signature LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered frunk, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with plenty of storage. It even gives you a little example here for like golf clubs, because you do get quite a bit of storage. You got a light for your frunk as well, which is pretty nice. You got your Power Onboard hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, as well as you do get more storage underneath with a mobile power cord, which is perfect for charging at home, and you do get that nice powered frunk. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of leg room. We got seating for up to 5. This nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. We have a floor mat carpeted interior. We have rear vents. We do get some outlets back here as well, 120 volt. And of course, you can lift up the seats for additional storage with a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly powered driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Even more door space up front. You have your frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 133 kilometers. We get this leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get my view, trip, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we do get a gear select. It is collapsible. Storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. Got that leather wrap center console too with more storage underneath. It is lockable as well. Protrailer sit with some coin holders. And your start stop, you do get your heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above and below. Storage right here. And looking here, we do get a 360 view of our vehicle, which is pretty handy, and you can change the camera angles as well. I'm going to click into the bed, and it's pretty nice, so you can keep an eye on all your goods, hazards, and traction. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls as well, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Power Onboard, zone lighting, charge settings since it is an electric vehicle, apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded will be right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. For your drive modes, you do get normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one pedal drive, which means you're just driving with the accelerator, so you take your foot off the accelerator, vehicle slow down, all that jazz, and all that fun. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG07746, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.